Wednesday, August, or not August, but September the 5th, first period. Warm-up quiz is first. Number 1. Solution to this one should be 44. Need a different pen besides white. There we go. 44. Number 2. AC is going to be 4 times 6, and then BC is going to be 1 times 6, and then plus A squared, that's going to be 16. So 24 minus 6 plus 16 is 18 plus 16. That does indeed equal 34. Number 3. Answer on this one should be 40. Next up, pick a number from 1 to 10 and drop it off up here. Winning number today is 4. Alright, time for the homework check. By now you should know what order you have to come up here. We'll do it up here at the desk on the iPad. Homework answers. I need to see 1, 2, and 3. Answers are 2 over 11, 32 over 99, and 7 over 11. If you have all 3, come and get 3 million. Bring up the answers for 4 through 6. Answers to 4 through 6 are 19 over 33, 1 over 9, and 4 over 9. If you have 3 of them, come and get 3 million. Bring up the answers for 7 through 9. Answers are 2 and 46 over 99, 3 and 6 over 11, 9 and 8 over 11. Bring up 10 through 12. Answers are 10 and 9 over 11, 7 over 9, and 2 over 9. Bring up the answers to 13 through 15. Answers are 25 over 99, 71 over 99, and 28 over 33. Are there any questions about the homework assignment? Alright. Papers pass out. I don't think I have anything for first period. They're all gone. So the objective for today is 9th grade number sense and operations. Number 3, explain the effects of operations such as multiplication or division and of computing powers and roots on the magnitude of quantities. We're going to start with square roots and things like that and still stick with some squares. Start at the very bottom on this and then work our way up. The specific learning target today is computations with squares and cubes, as well as square roots and cube roots. Example problem number 1. You have basic square roots here that you have to answer. For example, what is the square root of 121 without using your calculator? 11, yes. What about square root of 64? 8. Square root of 169? 13, and square root of 225. Not 25. 15, yes, it would be 15. Example number 2. What's the square root of 361? If 15 was 225 when you square it, it ends in 1. What 2 numbers would I multiply together to get something that ends in 1? It could be 1, or it could be what else? A larger number. 11, lower. 9. 9 times 9 is 81. So you can multiply 2 9s together and end with a 1. So if 15 is 225 and you square it, what is the square root of 361?
18.
Not 18. 19, yes. What's the square root of 81? 9. Square root of 49.
7.
And the square root of 225? 15. Alright, try this and drop it off. Square root of 196. On the practice problem, the answer is 14. If you have that, come and get 2. Bonus problem. Square root of 289. Answer for the bonus should be, I need a different marker, there we go, 17. If you brought that up, come and get 3 million. Another bonus problem. The square root of 576. Answer on the bonus should be 24. Practice problem number 2. Square root of 625. Problem. The solution for this, I hope everybody had this because I gave the answer away beforehand. 25. Bonus problem. Square root of 529. Answer for the bonus is 23 if you had that come back through and get 3 million. Another bonus problem. Square root of 441. Answer to this bonus is 21. Example problem number 3. Now you're going to have a number out to the left of your square root, and that means you multiply them together. So for example, what's the square root of 325? Or not 325. What's the square root of 25? 5. So you'll have 3 times 5. The answer is what?
15.
And what's the square root of 36? So 9 times 6 is what? 54. And what is the square root of 81? And 11 times 9? 99. Here is example number 4. These are cube roots, and a cube root is different from a square root. You now need to find a number when multiplied by itself, such as this. Let's say I had 5 here at the bottom of the screen. 5 times 5 times 5. What would that give me? Not 15. It's 5 times 5. What's 5 times 5? 25. What's 25 times 5? 125. So in other words, 5 cubed is 5 times 5 times 5. What number am I going to multiply like that to get an 8? 2. What number would I cube in order to get a 64? 4. And what number would I cube to get 743? Or 343? 7 would be the answer. These don't change. These stay the same. So you should write down 2 cubed is 8, 4 cubed is 64, 7 cubed is 343, or at least remember them for future use. Alright, so practice problem number 3. Give this a shot. What is the cube root of 512? What number am I going to multiply by itself, and then by itself again, in order to get 512? Solution for the practice problem should be 8. If you have that, come and get 2 million. A bonus problem. What is the cube root of 125? Answer on the bonus should be 5. If you had that, come and get a bonus. Another bonus problem. The cube root of 8. Alright, the solution should be 2 for the bonus. Practice problem number 4. 3 times 9. Notice the difference here. Had this been a cube, then you would have had the 3 there resting on that ledge. The 3 is out to the left. So that's 3 times the square root of 9. 3 times the square root of 9. Bring that up and drop it off. On the practice problem, it is 3 times 3, which should give you an answer of 9. If you have that, come and get 2 million. The bonus problem is 12 times the square root of 49. Answer to the bonus is 84. Another bonus problem. 6 times the square root of 100. Answer to the bonus should be 60. Homework assignment is next. Square root of 49, square root of 64, you just add them together. I think that's self-explanatory. We did this problem here, one just like it, and one just like it. The only difference is you add the answers together when you're done. And then down here you have 3 of them. You just have to find the answers individually through here and then follow the order of operations. Get your answer for this, then for this, and this. Then go back and add and then subtract. Down here you just get the square root of 4 plus square root of 9. Add those together and then square the answer. Same for 9, 10. Here, self-explanatory, 3 times the square root of 100. Now, as a reminder for homework, you must write the problem number, write the problem, and show all steps necessary to get the answer and then box it. They must all be together. You can't have it floating all over the place. It must all be together neatly like this. Have to include the credits at the end of the video.